Good morning. So I'll be demonstrating how exactly our smart home assistant works. So the services which we are integrated into our project is IBM Watson Assistant, text to speech and speech to text services of IBM, and we have also used IBM IoT platform to get the data. Starting with the IBM Watson Cloud Assistant, so we are actually using the light version of the software. So in this dashboard, you could see that I have already created a skill for our smart home assistant application. So here we are actually trying to build skills for the assistant by using intents, entities, and dialogues. So here you could see all the entities and intents which I have created for this assistant app. And here is the dialogue. So we have actually created a bunch of nodes here with respect to entities and intents, and there is also an option at the top right hand corner named as try it. So this will open a chat window and will actually show you if you are actually getting replies from an assistant. So we are basically done integrating all the skills to our assistant, and now coming to IBM IoT platform, we have already set our device. So here you could see a drop down option. So after clicking that, you could see our credentials and check the recent events, especially when the code is running. Since we aren't using any hardware to get the actual sensor data, so we have developed a Python script to publish and subscribe to the IBM IoT platform. So now coming to the Node-RED. So it is actually a flow-based programming tool, and here you can see the nodes which we have created for our project. So since we aren't having any hardware, we'll be receiving the data from IBM IoT platform for temperature and humidity. So the Python code will generate the random data for temperature and humidity and publishes it to the IBM IoT platform. So we'll be using the assistant version 2 chatbot node. So the entities, intents, and the dialogues are already created. So initially we have used the text node and also speech to text node, which actually uses voice commands as an input and converts them into text. So based on the text or the voice command which we give, the value undergoes into a switch case mechanism in order to change the control flow of the program with respect to the value. So we have created a set of function nodes connected to the switch case. So these are for temperature, humidity, fan on or off, light on or off, reminders, and for SMS. Thus, we are connecting all these nodes to the status text node to print the output. We are also having text to speech node to convert the output data into speech. So now coming to the demonstration, first of all, I'll show you how to get the temperature and the what is the temperature,
Temperature, 61 degrees Celsius.
what is the humidity,
Humidity, 81%.
next we'll be using it on our some of our home appliances which we are using in our daily lives. So first of all, I'll be checking it with the fan. I'll be
Fan is switched on.
and turn off the fan.
Fan is switched off. Light is switched on. Light is switched off.
And now I'll be showing you how to set reminders. So you can type remind me
Specify the date.
and it will ask you for the date. After that, it would ask you for the time.
Specify the time. What is the reminder about?
And finally, about the topic which you want to be reminded of. So here you could see that our reminder is finally set.
Reminder is set on time 21:00:00 on December 21st, 2021, about appointment.
So that's all for the demonstration of Smart Home Assistant by using IBM Cloud and its services.